I am Nicholas Van Der Gucht, and I'm the fourth generation of our family business, Houtshop Van Der Gucht, here in Temse, Belgium. I'm the fourth generation. It was born in 85 years ago in the city center of Temse. My great-grandfather bought a warehouse with some wood, and he started selling wood. And then later on, my grandfather started a company here in this area. So he built a new building where we still are here now. And my father made it bigger, and now I'm also trying to make it bigger than before. And we're now, I would say, we're around 50. I think 48, 49 people are working now here. Where we have 10 people that are carpenters that work with the Biesse machines. And we try to grow every year of 3 or 4%. Our total turnover is around 15 million euros. And 35% is for the private customers and 65% is for the B2B market. So we have a lot of carpenters and we try to provide them with a good service and a good price and good quality. Manufacture, we do a lot of boards and doors. Those are the two products we manufacture. We cut boards in the production area and we assemble doors also in the production area. For two types of customers. So we have the private customers, the B2C, and the business customers, so the B2B market. We try to distinguish us. We want to work a lot with custom made, so that we have a lot of possibilities to achieve the goal of the customers. We still have some manual labor, but we have invested a lot in new machines, so we can work faster and more efficient. Also, we have in the past we had 2 people every machine. Now we can have 1 person on every machine, so we can do more production than before. Also, it's really important to have the internet right now, but now it's also important with the Biesse system we have internet to provide the machines and to have the software on the machines. We have to have the 5 CNCs we have also from Biesse. Like the 5 axis, so we have more possibilities to provide the customer the right materials and the custom-made projects he wants. The benefits of automation of production processes, that we can work more efficient than before and that we can make the delivery time of the production way shorter, so we can help our customers faster than before. We love partnerships and we love to have a good relation with our supplier. Also from the products and in Biesse, we love to have a good partnership from the machine supplier. So if you have problems, you can call to them and you can have a good service.